Hello everyone, this is the much awaited video on types of narration. In this video, I will discuss only the ones which I am dealing with in your multiple choice questions or in your worksheets. There are three popular types of narration or point of view. The first one is first person. In this point of view, a character, typically the protagonist but not always, is telling the story, and you will not notice a lot of I, me and we. In second person point of view, the author uses a narrator to speak to the reader. Now, listen to this carefully. In second person point of view, the author uses a narrator to speak to the reader. And here in this point of view, you will notice a lot of what? You, your and yours. Understood? I hope I have made myself clear. Now, it's time for third person point of view or third person narration. This is the most common type of narration which ICSE and ISC students will need to know. Now, in this point of view, an external narrator is telling the story, and you will notice a lot of he, she, it or they in this form of narration. Now, omniscient narrator, a very common topic. The voice in which a story is written that is outside the story and knows everything about the characters and events in the story. Omniscient narrator. Third person omniscient narration is a common form of third person narration in which the teller of the tale, who often appears to speak with the voice of the author himself, assumes an omniscient, all-knowing perspective on the story being told, diving into private thoughts, narrating secret or hidden events, jumping between spaces and times. Third person omniscient narration. Now, it's time for third person limited narration. Focusing a third person narration through the eyes of a single character. The narrative is still told in third person, unlike first person narration. However, it is clear that it is nonetheless being told through the eyes of a single character. Single character is very, very important. Now, my dear boys and girls, I hope that you will be able to understand the narration techniques when I am discussing them in the videos. This is very important. Look at this. Difference between third person limited and third person omniscient POV point of view. Third person omniscient shows us what many characters in the story are thinking and feeling. Third person limited point of view sticks closely to one character in the story while the other characters are presented only externally. Third person limited gives the writer more freedom than first person but less knowledge than third person. Now, some examples. We will deal with these examples in detail in all our videos. In fact, I have already done that. Watch all our videos to get a complete and detailed explanation of the POV. A Little Match Girl, The Blue Bead, ICSE short story, third person narration. To Build a Fire, the story of an hour. We have To Build a Fire, third person narration, and The Story of an Hour, third person omniscient narration. You may get options like omnipotent narrator, friendly narrator, well-known narrator. Well, ignore those things. You're going to concentrate on the point of view that I have discussed in this video. Well, subscribe, share, like and comment, and all the best, my dear girls and boys. Take care. Bye.